example of graph. Represent numerical data using equal width. For example, itong notebook na to, itong side na to, and itong side na to, ito yung tinatawag natin na width. Varying height, rectangles, uniform graph, horizontal, or vertical. Pag tinawag natin horizontal, ito yung pahiga. Pag naman vertical, ito yung patayo. Directly related by height or length. Ito yung tinatawag natin na taas or yung laki nila. Yun lamang po. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I am present with your Esteban from Yung Sneak Walking.